Okay, so let's take a look at some of these careers that are with this OpenAI company. So I think I see 39, maybe 39 OpenAI careers. And if you're not familiar, this company, I think it's sponsored by Microsoft, maybe, but they're the ones who make the ChatGPT thing that came out. But I'm curious what their jobs are. So they're looking for an AI product counsel. So that would be legal person, an associate general counsel, another legal-ish, lawyer-ish type person, commercial counsel. All right, so what do we got here? We got a corporate security engineer. All right, so these three are clearly a certain type of skill. We have a security engineer, and we have a director. That's different. Director of Equity Administration. What is equity administration? All right, so another director. Director of Technical Accounting and Reporting. It sounds more like an accountant. Founding data scientist. Founding. All right. IT engineer. Looks like some kind of SRE group. And another one. Let's see. Two of them. One of them's in the support group. And one of them is in the SRE group. Not sure what that means. All right, what do we got? The lead financial data analyst. So they need a leader. Financial data analyst. Somebody who knows finance and how to analyze financial information. Machine learning engineer. For moderation. So they're going to be monitoring the content, moderating the content. OpenAI residency in research. So that might be postdoc related. Usually when they say residency, some type of last phase of academic. Operations specialist. That's pretty vague. Human data. Human data versus machine data. Order management. Research engineer. Different than a security engineer. Research scientist. All right, so we have a trend here. We got research related things. We have an engineer, a scientist, another scientist, another scientist. Research scientist, but in this case it's machine learning. Alright. And then the fourth scientist would be also a research scientist, but in software engineering. Specifically in systems. So 4 research engineering positions. Or scientists. 3 scientists and an engineer. Okay, what do we have next? Revenue systems. So that's probably financial related. Revenue systems. Oh, manager though. So it's similar to the director. Security engineer, so another security engineer. But this time it's focusing on detection and response. Whereas this type of engineer was focusing on corporate security. It's 2 different security types. Okay, there's another security engineer who plays on the offensive team versus the defensive team. Security engineering, now they need a manager. But this person focuses on product and the platform. Okay, so that's all of our corporate security people. So let's put them here. Security related, research related. Although this guy's a data scientist. So let's put him over here in research. Machine learning engineer. It's not too far off, so let's stick him over here for now. Human data. So these are kind of doing their own thing. So let's put them over here. Alright, let's see what else we have. Software engineer, billing and monetization. So we need a software engineer. But he's going to focus on billing and monetization. So how are they going to make money from monetizing ChatGPT? Now we have a software engineer focused on the distributed model training. So they build this model, they train it, but this model doesn't sit on one server, it's distributed somehow. Another software engineer. This time he is focused on the front end or the user experience. Another software engineer, but this time focused more as a full stack developer. See the difference between software engineers and IT engineers? Bunch of software engineers. So was that 2 of them? 2 software engineer full stacks. So I'll leave it as 1 since it's kind of a unique thing, different location. But we have hardware, health, model inference. So if you're going to think about something, you infer. They love that word in machine learning, infer. Model inference, platform reliability, make sure it doesn't go down. Product development, let's keep making it better and better. Product platform, basically the infrastructure that the software sits on. Safety. Triton compiler. Don't know what that is. Triton compiler. Alright, so a bunch of software engineers. So all focused on different areas. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. So I will put these right next to here. Software engineer. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one of these software engineers is focused on hardware health. Gotta keep the hardware working. Model inference. The reliability of the platform. Product development. And the actual product platform. So depending on what you're into, you can possibly find something here. Okay, so it looks like we have some more here as well. We have the safety related. We have the Triton compiler related, or compiler, yeah. One eye. There we go. Okay, so that's all the software engineers. Oh, we're at the bottom. So, but we have another manager. So let's put him above all these guys. Software engineering manager. Focused on the accelerator optimization. And then we have a kind of a, maybe not a director or manager, but the software tech lead. Focused on hardware health. Alright. Now we have support engineer, and I think that's more similar to an IT engineer. So we have support engineer, we have a technical safety analyst. So technical safety analyst. A lot of safety related positions, but I will put it over here. And then we have the last one, the U.S. policy and partnerships. It sounds like a senior level position. So there you go. As of today, there's 39 jobs open, but 38 different job titles that, depending on what you're into, might be of interest to you. So let's organize these. We have some directors, some leaders in the financial industry, revenue systems, it's more financial, some kind of research, residency, safety, lots of support engineers, lots of software engineers. So let's organize these a little bit. There we go. And I'm just going to put him down here too. So what I'll do is I will move these legal positions over here. So it's a clear kind of separation between the machine learning, and all the security related openings. All these are security. Do we have any more security over here? No. Okay. So actually, let's just do this. Let's move this guy up here. Make everything real pretty. Pretty as we can. There we go. And these are kind of doing their own thing. Alright, well there you have it. So if you're looking for a position, there are some available. If you're a software engineer, or other roles as well, at the ChatGPT headquarters by OpenAI.